Welcome to Invest. We talk about investing, finance, and professional development. As a record time of 6:30 p.m. on Eastern Time, Ethereum country $2,025, up about 0.94% so far. Respect over crypto market on this entire Saturday so far, we have slightly or incrementally recuperate back up onto above $2,000 level. But with respect to 2,000, we know that's still a levitation level, right? We are basically being magnetically sticked, or stuck around to the $2,000 level. Trying to get back up to the next level of 2150. We tried, and we opened at $2,006, and at one point today, I say that we reach $2,067, right? And then as you got there, obviously it's a flat number, and whenever you stay at the flat number for a certain amount of time, you tend to have a propensity to come back down anyways, because there's lack of interest or substantive appetite for it to propel to go up from there. And with respect to the momentum right now, it's still kind of gliding on a sideways fashion, not really up or down. You could see that clearly on the RSI is kind of consolidating, normalizing. At the same time, the MACD is still kind of pointing downward, but in terms of the curvature, it's not as sharp as it was before. And at the same time, we're still levitating, right? So with respect to the chart, is negative. The MACD is still negative. RSI looks kind of like a yellow sign, the green, yellow, red, on like a street light. It seems like it's like more of a like a yellow light right now. So collectively, it's still kind of net to be a negative momentum. So we keep an eye out on it, how the international side of the house will pick this up. Sunday arises for them. We are leaning towards Sunday morning overseas right now. I mean, I'm from New York, so I'm on the East Coast speaking on behalf of people in the United States. Yeah. Oh, by the way, talk about New York. So today's just been a relatively rainy day. Spent the half of the day basically in the city. Went to Soho. Did a little shopping here and there, but like the rain and holding an umbrella at the same time. Try to avoid just like getting drenched today. It was kind of like a buzzkill, to be honest with you. So decided just like call it early, and I came home, and so decided just like maybe relax a little bit, watch some movies or something like that. If you guys have any movie suggestions, let me know. I mean, I don't know what. Like, I don't even know if I like Netflix. I feel like, or I want to subscribe to it anymore, because I feel like the movies that they put in is very, it's like kind of backwash. It's like kind of it's like playing the same thing over and over again. I know someone suggested I get like a VPN or something like that. I could watch like movies that they don't stream everywhere, and I could watch movies that are streaming overseas, or in different countries. So I don't know. Let me know if you have any suggestions. And with respect to Bitcoin as well, we are lingering around the $30,000 at the 29500. Same thing in affectation, we're lingering between, so negative on this side, negative on the MACD, slightly green on the RSI, so still negative across the spectrum. Trying to get back up to the next real level, 500. In respect to Ethereum Classic, up about 2% so far at $20, about 2%. Anywhere from current level down to 15 is logical to DCA. I would say right now it's like still lingering, right? It seems like it's recovered back up a lot better on RSI, because like altcoin again is a lot more like bipolar, if you may. It's shifty in comparison to key coins. In respect to Dogecoin, up about 0.2% basically, anywhere from current level down to $6, 65 cents, 6 cents from here, apologies. Would be logical. It's basically trading on like all the flat numbers, like 8, 9, 7 respectively. Respect to Cardano, that about 6%, 0.6%. We're 52 cents right now, anywhere from like the flat numbers like 52 to 50, obviously 45, 30 from there. Respect to Solana, about 1.7%. We are back into the consolidated level at 50, which is exactly what we know. The next level we need to get back up to continue back up the momentum is 71. Or if we don't, we kind of come back down to ideally somewhere in between 43 to 37 from here. But we are relatively oversold, so I think the propensity of going back up, it's a lot easier. And I think we might give up halfway though, because it's the market is relatively still bearish. But if we do not, we recuperate. 71 is coming. Respect to XRP, down about 2%, anywhere from basically current level down. It's largely a DCA. But momentum wise, XRP is kind of different. It's negative on the RSI, negative on the MACD, and negative on the chart as well. So XRP looks like it's a little bit more bearish in comparisons to other altcoins. In respect to Polkadot, about 6% so far, recuperating back up. You can see that we have a scoop here, negative on the RSI. That was a delayed on the RSI. Apologies. It seems like it's positive on the RSI. So Polkadot looks relatively bullish and also positive on the MACD. And we have crossed up to 11 cents. So interesting. Polkadot seems like it's a very bullish trend. Like bullish on this one. So green, green, green across the spectrum. Algorand's about 0.5%. We are, normalizing on RSI, dipping on the MACD. So yellow, red, red, across the spectrum. So if you were to prefer like better levels below, like which basically trade around the flat numbers, like 45, 40, 35 from here. Shiba Inu is levitating between levels, right? 1400 to 900. So ideally, with respect to the trend, is RSI is bearish on the MACD, bearish on the trend. So 1400 to 900. I think ideally touching around like the higher upper echelons of closing to 1,000 or somewhere around 900 will be more logical than buying right now. And then with respect to MACTAG, it's 6666. Quite interesting number, huh? We are normalizing, trading on the flat numbers, right? 65, 60, 50 respectively. So it's okay. It's normalized. It's not like terrible in terms of incurring risk. I would say the trends is okay in terms of normalization, and we're very oversold. So I would say green on this one, yellow on this one, and with respect to the current level, we are at the consolidated level. So green on this one. So I would say Polygon is not terrible at the moment. AVAX up about 2%. Green on this one because it's highly submerged. Yellow on this one and green on this one. So AVAX looks quite bullish as well. Alright, so hopefully it's a quick one for you guys. I'm kind of exhausted despite like it was only half the day. But I did have a really good lunch. I had Vietnamese food today. I don't know if I ever told you, but Vietnamese, like pho or like, vermicelli noodles, bao mein, Vietnamese coffee, my favorites ever. There's this like place in Flushing called Pho Bang, which is like it's been around for like the last 45 years, and it looks kind of kind of shitty. And you go in, it's like kind of dim and like it smells kind of like fish sauce all over, but the food is definitely authentic. It's good, so I do like it. Anyways, I'm actually gonna go make some dinner now. I'm gonna go catch some movies. And let me know if you have any questions. Appreciate you. Have a good day. Take care.